Okay, so today's project, I'm gonna get this done, and then once I have everything organized, basically, I'll demonstrate everything, and then I'm gonna remove that mirror. It's painted, and then basically I just got to the front of it with the vinyl wrap, and this is basically the medicine cabinet. The girls like stuff, you know, when they get ready. Alright, and then this is like the same thing. The dudes or the girls stuff to get ready. Up everything, then I'm gonna do this sink right here. Okay, so got it all down flat. I just gotta cut around the sink. There's gonna be a whole matching. Everything's gonna be matching. The table, kitchen counter, and the sink. Then vanity and the medicine cabinet, or whatever you want to call that over there. You know, hair stuff or whatever. So that's all gonna match. Once I'm done, you know, cutting all the vinyl, I'll organize everything. It's a rainy day, so I'm gonna try my best to record. But this is what I got done so far. This is the table. Now, I bought a DVD player. I just gotta connect it. I'm also gonna put video games and everything as well. But for now, just I got a DVD player to start off. The TV obviously works. The fireplace. The table is vinyl wrapped. No sun outside. It's cloudy. The weather, and basically we have the tarp as well. So here's the countertop. This is the table that goes right there. It's a folding table. What else? I did this one. We're going to re-glue that. Okay, so we got this thing done. And also I did that mirror. It's end up, you know, the weather. It's basically we're basically a few weeks away from Christmas or whatever. So I guess a spice rack that goes on the wall in the kitchen. I gotta paint that. So what it looks nice, huh? Starting to look good. Starting to look like a house. And then I already got some stuff right here to start decorating. So that's more or less the idea of things I'm gonna start looking. But yeah, I can't wait, man. This is starting to look good. So that's that from that area. With the radio, TV. Beautiful, huh? It's starting to look very, very beautiful. And then I'm also gonna do. I decided I'm gonna do. What do you call it? Suede ceiling and suede and lights. The Rolls Royce lights. I have an idea how to do it. So, but yeah, this is how it comes along. Anybody that's been watching me on this journey, I appreciate everybody. Thank you for everybody for watching. Peace.